Hey, welcome back to another PS5 tutorial video. This one's a quick one. Today I'll be going through the steps on how to uninstall PS5 games. So if you're running out of hard drive space, this is the easiest thing you can do to free up some more storage for new games. We'll start deleting games right now. From the PS5 home screen, we're going to head over to our Games tab. Go to your game library. Under the Install tab, we'll see our most recently installed games. Highlight the game you want to remove. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller and just simply hit delete. Now if you don't see the game on this screen, you just gotta tab over to your collection. And here you'll see the complete list of games associated with the account. And from here we can uninstall a game as well. So I'll quickly show you guys right here. It's the exact same step as before. Highlight the game and we press the Options button on the controller. And we scroll down to delete. Okay, next screen, this item will be deleted from the console storage. Press OK to confirm, and it's gone. Now another thing you can do is delete the add-ons from a game. If you want to keep the main game, the core of the game, you know what I mean, but just delete the add-ons just to free up a little space, you can do that. So we'll highlight a game here. Click the Options button again. Now instead of deleting the game, we'll go to Manage Game Content. Now I don't have anything here, but if you did, you just highlight the game content and delete it as usual. Alright guys, so that is how you uninstall games on the PS5. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.